guys! Hello guys! Welcome back to our mini craft. Yeah. Okay. See our hut.
I don't know why there's steak and chicken on the floor, but you guys ignore that, please.
You drop a door. Double security, I think.
I don't know why there's a chicken on the.
Yo, run. Guys, we have Elytra
And rockets. 64 rockets, by the way.
Yo, because we made just now.
The elytra is very bad. I think normal blocks would even be good for our health. We got ender pearls.
Oh yes.
But don't use them right now.
Okay.
They can be an emergency thing.
Yes.
If a polar bear chases us.
Oh.
What is that?
Ruin.
Nether. Wait, give me it. Give me.
Okay. Oh.
What was that?
Don't know.
Oh, maybe that was magma.
Yes. Oh, golden apple.
What? You cannot even know how to get all of the. Look, just boom, done. Okay.
Oh, gold block. Gold
Gold block up there. Here. Let's mine this. We got gold.
Okay, let's go. Oh, what is there?
Oh, what? What is attacking
It was
me?
magma, I think. Oh, village.
Oh, maybe it's a berry bush. Okay. Let's just use one here.
Oh.
What? What's
What?
that? Wait, we need to teleport there.
Oh, there is a village. It is good.
Let's. Oh no, I think. Oh yes, on a house. We teleported.
Yes. Go.
Do we break this?
Yes.
Let's break this. Right here.
We don't have any eggs. Let's go.
Why do we need to break everything?
We have gold block.
Here, now, here. Why is my game lagging so much? Maybe it's because of.
Let's
the
go to
shaders.
the top of it.
But what is that? Like literally, we can go from that waterfall.
Yes. Let's go from the waterfall only. No, it will take more time, I think.
Wait, our elytra?
Yes, it can.
How do we use the elytra in survival mode? I don't really know. We got to get high ground
We
first.
have to eat a golden apple first. This is the power. Wow.
Yeah, but how do we need to get high ground somehow? Okay, I have an idea.
What?
I have an idea. Let's here go first in the waterfall right here. No, wait. What is this? What is like a mine? What? Okay,
Okay, let's go.
let me leave right now. What? There's a cat right there. Let's call the. They're running for their life.
Run. Everyone is coming. Run.
Wait, our ender pearls can give us high ground, then we can perch up. What? Why are you? What? How did you? Why are you attacking? This is emergency ender pearl. Ender pearl. Please spam in the comments. What? Endermite. That's what was hurting us. Why? Yes. What?
Oh.
You died.
Yes.
No.
Oh.
Shit. We didn't have respawn.
Yo. Very bad.
Okay. We after a long time of wandering found that again.
Let's go with elytra.
How do we use elytra? Wait, I think how to. Wait, let's go up there. Yes, yes. No, 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 no. Please save us. Yes, yes.
Oh,
yes.
let's go. But
Oh, oh.
let's
Upar.
go.
That's Hindi. Only English understand. You said upar.
Okay.
Oh,
let's go.
uh-ohs.
Now we can use elytra.
Wait. Oh no. Go up. Fast. Yes. Up. You. Ooh, save.
Oh no.
We got saved.
Eat.
Yeah.
Eat something.
Yeah. I'm just gonna eat. There we go. There we go.
One heart only. Let's launch.
Our best bet is going from the water. I'm not using a lighter.
I think the villager's house will be up of this. I think villager's house only.
Oh, I am so stressed out right now. So stressed out. We got to go fast. Yes.
Let's use elytra.
No. We are not using elytra. Okay?
So we cannot go up.
Yeah, we can go up, but it will take a while.
Okay.
Yes, we can go up, but it will take a little bit of time.
Let's use underpan.
Wait, I need to get to that polar bear first. Okay, now we're good.
Woodland mention, I think.
Okay, we can enderpearl up that ledge right there.
Oh, no.
Please no, please.
Yes.
Yes. Oh no. Break. Yes. Wait.
Oh, no.
Oh no. Break. Wait. Break.
No,
Break. No.
I know about that.
Okay. Wait.
Okay.
Give me it. You're such a bad player at Minecraft. I literally parkoured up that you didn't even do a single thing.
Okay.
Wait, give me it.
I will go.
My phone, my rules.
Okay, let's go.
Give me it. You're gonna die. Please no die, yaar. Just how? What? Wait. Give me it. Right now. Give me it.
You keep quiet. I give you.
Okay.
Let's go with elytra now.
My God.
Elytra.
I am setting it day. I'm literally set. It's the water that's making a difference. Let's rest for a while. Let's eat a little bit. Let's rest for a while here. Okay, now let's jump in this waterfall.
And elytring.
No, not elytring. If we die, we die. Okay. So no elytring. First step, I don't even know how to use an elytra. And why is
I think we are here one heart.
Yeah, we were here like 1.5 of a heart.
Yes.
Go. Wait a minute.
We are on clouds.
Wait. No.
Please no.
Yes.
Enderpearl.
No. Yeah. Wait, let's pass this waterfall. And now here.
Okay. 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 I don't know if we're gonna go up. Wait, can we go up from this waterfall here? Can we go? Wait, there's not a waterfall there. There is a waterfall here. Let's go up from here. We are above the clouds right now, I think. Let's go up. Let's go up right now. Let's go up. Let's use our... Why? We're down to only 7 ender pearls. We got to go somehow. Okay. Let's just ender pearl there. Yes. Oh, finally. What? It's only a flooded woodland mansion. Really? Oh no. You stay away from me. There we go. We got an emerald. Guys, this was a long video. Bye. Yeah. Like we literally climbed up this mountain, this high mountain, but still we just got a flooded woodland mansion. So bye guys, see you in the next video.